In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to embed a Jotform into your Shopify store. This is perfect for adding contact forms, order forms, surveys, or customer feedback forms directly to your website. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Jotform website. Log in to your Jotform account and go to the My Forms section where all your forms are stored. Next, select the form you want to add to Shopify and click on Publish or Integrations depending on your Jotform version. Now look for the Embed option and choose the embed method you want to use. Jotform will generate an HTML embed code for your form. Click Copy Code to save it to your clipboard. After that, switch over to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left side menu, click on Online Store and then select Pages. Now open the page where you want the form to appear, such as your contact page, or create a new page if needed. Inside the page editor, click on the Show HTML button to switch into HTML editing mode. Then paste the Jotform embed code directly into the editor. Once the code is pasted, click Save to apply the changes. Now visit your Shopify page to make sure the form displays correctly and test it by submitting a sample response. Embedding Jotform into Shopify is a great way to collect customer information, feedback, inquiries, or custom order requests directly from your website. And that's it. You've successfully embedded Jotform into your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.